Hi everyone, this is Dipti Harshad Vartak and welcome back to my baking channel. Now, if you are someone who has always wondered how many cakes you can bake in your OTG, how many cakes your OTG can actually handle, you are at the right place. Because in this video, we will dive deeper into what are those points that you should remember and how many cakes you can actually bake in your own OTG. So let's get started. First point that you should always keep it in your mind while understanding how many cakes you can bake at a time in your own OTG is the rack position. Okay, so in your OTG, inside your OTG, you must have seen there are either 2 or 3 or there are 4 racks depending on the capacity or the brand of your OTG, right? So if you are baking like small cakes or you are baking like 4 inches, 2-3 inches cakes or maybe cupcakes, then you can use multiple racks. So you can actually bake many number of cakes at a time. Okay, but if you are using like big cake tins, for example, you are baking a 12 inches cake tin, you are using a 10 inches cake tin, you are using 7 inches cake tin and 4 inches cake tin all together, then please avoid using different racks. Just use one rack, that is more than enough. The position of the rack also should be towards the lower end of the OTG. एकदम जो नीचे वाला रैक रहता है वहां पे आपको अपने केक्स बेक करने हैं. If you are using any other recipe like small cakes like muffins or cupcakes, you can definitely put it in the center. Center या फिर top rod के आसपास भी आप अपना rack position fix कर सकते हो, right? That is the first thing. The rack position matters a lot. The second point that you should remember while baking a cake in your own OTG is the size of your OTG. Right? See, if your OTG is very small, like 20 liters OTG, 28 liters OTG, or maybe a 30 liters OTG, right? The chances are that at one point of time, you will be able to bake only 1 or maybe 2 cakes at a time. But if the OTG capacity is more, the size of your OTG is more, for example, you are using 52 liters OTG or 60 liters OTG, right? At that point of time, you can actually bake like 5 to 6 cakes at a time. Okay, so the brand of your OTG, the capacity and the size of your OTG also matters a lot, and that determines how many cakes you can bake at a time from your own kitchen. So the second point was that कि आपका जो भी OTG आप यूज कर रहे हो उसका कैपेसिटी, उसका साइज कितना छोटा या बड़ा है, उस हिसाब से आप एक या एट अ टाइम 6 केक्स आप अपने OTG से बेक कर सकते हो. That brings me to the third point, your cake pan size. Now suppose you are having a small OTG. ओके, स्मॉल OTG आपके पास है बट आपको जो केक बेक करने हैं वो भी छोटे हैं. 4 इंचेस वाले केक टिन आप यूज कर रहे हो. सो इन दैट केस आप 2 नहीं बट आप 3 केक एट अ टाइम बेक कर सकते हो. सिमिलरली इफ यू हैव अ बिगर OTG, 60 लीटर्स OTG यू आर हैविंग, सो आपके 60 लीटर्स OTG में यू कैन एट अ टाइम बेक 6 to 7 केक विच आर हैविंग अ स्मॉलर साइज. मतलब 4 इंचेस के केक अगर आप यूज कर रहे हो, 4 इंचेस के केक टिन अगर आप यूज कर रहे हो, सो एट अ टाइम 6-7 केक आप डेफिनेटली बेक कर सकते हो. सो आपका जो केक टिन का साइज है वो भी बहुत मैटर करता है. हावेवर अगर आपका केक टिन का साइज बहुत बड़ा है, 10 इंचेस है, 12 इंचेस है, 4 इंचेस है या फिर मिक्स है, सो इन दिस केस यू विल नॉट बी एबल टू बेक लाइक 6 केक्स और 7 केक्स एट अ टाइम. सो आपके केक टिन का साइज भी बहुत मैटर करता है कि एट अ टाइम हाउ मेनी केक्स यू कैन बेक from your own OTG. So that was the third point. The fourth point is very very important and it is my personal favorite. Oven thermodynamics. अभी घबराइए नहीं thermodynamics word सुन के, but what I'm trying to say at this point of time is just because at a time आप 6 केक बेक कर सकते हो, that does not mean you can put like you can just stuff your OTG with lot many number of cakes और cookies. मतलब ऊपर के रैक में cookies बेक कर रहे हो, नीचे के रैक में आप केक बेक कर रहे हो, बीच में आप कपकेक्स बेक कर रहे हो, राइट? प्लीज डू नॉट ओवर क्राउड योर OTG. एट अ टाइम इफ यू आर बेकिंग लाइक बिग केक्स, just bake cakes, only cakes. Don't use anything else in your OTG, right? Why I'm saying this particular thing is because, see, inside your OTG, the only thing that matters is the heat that is generated. So आपके OTG का upper rod और lower rod जो heat generate कर रहा है और जो fan है, that fan is circulating that heat inside your OTG. If you overcrowd or if you overstuff your OTG, what is going to happen is that the heat circulation will not be uniform. So ना आपके केक्स अच्छे बनेंगे, ना आपके कुकीज अच्छे बनेंगे, ना आपके कपकेक्स अच्छे बनेंगे. ठीक है? So if you really want a good texture for your cakes, ensure that you are not overcrowding your OTG and let that heat circulate uniformly inside your OTG so that you end up getting a beautifully textured cake every single time you are baking a lot of cakes from your OTG. Okay, so that was my point when I talked about oven thermodynamics. And the last point is that trial and error. Okay, so every single time when you want to identify how many cakes I can bake in my OTG at a time, what you do is before you actually start the recipe, before you actually start baking, just take out the cake tins that you are going to use for baking a cake. फॉर एग्जाम्पल मान लो आपको एक 4 इंचेस का केक टिन यूज करना है, एक 12 इंचेस का केक टिन यूज करना है, एक 7 इंचेस का केक टिन यूज करना है और एट अ टाइम आपको ये स्पॉन्जेस बनाने हैं. So what you can do is take 4 inches, 7 inches and 12 inches cake tin और just put it inside your OTG which is not preheated or anything. Just ये cake tin OTG के अंदर देख के आप देखो कि आपका oven door ठीक से बंद हो रहा है क्या, ये जो cake tin है वो आराम से अंदर बैठ रहे हैं कि नहीं, right? When you are able to identify that, then you can make a note in your copy saying that for this particular measurement, I can actually bake 3 cakes at a time. Maybe if you are using only 4 inches cake tin, so try to fit it inside your OTG and see whether how many cakes you can bake at a time. 4 inches वाले 4 cake bake कर रहे हो या 4 inches वाले 5 cakes bake कर रहे हो, keep a note of that, right? So every single time when you want to make too many cakes at a time, this information will come handy and then you don't have to run here and there. ये जो information, ये जो notes आपने बनाए हैं वो आपको काफी काम में आएंगे. Okay, so that was my 5th point, which is trial and error. So don't limit your baking drills. With the right approach, you can actually bake a lot many number of cakes in your OTG than you can actually think of. So I hope you have loved this video. If you have loved this video, do like, share and subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon so that every single time I upload an informative video like this, you will get notified about it. And if you are someone who wants to understand a lot of things, not just related to baking or decoration, but if you are someone who also wants to learn how you can start selling cakes from your own home bakery, join my live webinar. You will find the link of this webinar in the description box below. In this webinar, I will teach you step by step how you can convert your kitchen into a home bakery. Even if you are a beginner, if you implement these 6 steps 100% in less than 30 days, you will have a beautiful home bakery from which you will start selling your cakes from home. Okay, so just click on the link and register for the webinar and I will see you live inside the web. Thank you so much.